Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a style for a code snippet box in Microsoft Word can help you present code in a clear and visually appealing way. Here's a quick tutorial on how to do this in about 2 minutes. Step-by-step guide to create a code snippet style. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word and open a new or existing document. Step 2. Access the Styles pane. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Styles group to open the Styles pane. Step 3. Create a new style. 1. In the Styles pane, click on the New Style button. It looks like a letter A with a plus sign. 2. In the Create New Style from Formatting dialog box, set the following parameters. Name *, enter a name for your style, example code snippet. Style type *, choose paragraph. Style based on *, select normal or leave it as no style. Style for following paragraph *, you can keep it as normal or set it to code snippet if you want subsequent snippets to have the same formatting. Step 4. Set the formatting. Click on the Format button at the bottom left of the dialog box, and select the following options. Font *, choose a mono-spaced font like Courier New or Consolas. Size *, set the font size, example 10 pt or 11 pt. Paragraph *, set the alignment to left and add spacing, example 6 pt before and after. Borders *, go to the Borders tab and select Box to add a border around the snippet. Shading *, in the Shading tab, choose a light background color, example light gray, for better contrast. Step 5. Apply the style. Click OK to save the new style. To apply the style, simply select the text you want to format as a code snippet and click on the code snippet style in the Styles pane. Example code snippet. Here's an example of a code snippet you might format using the new style. Final touches. You can further customize the style as needed by right-clicking on the style in the Styles pane and selecting Modify. Once you have your code snippets styled, they will stand out in your document, making it easier for readers to identify code. Conclusion. Now you have a customized code snippet style in Microsoft Word, allowing you to present your code clearly and effectively. Use this style for all your coding examples to maintain consistency throughout your document.